Dear children, previous class you learned microscope parts and their uses. Today we will learn about how to prepare a slide or the material to be observed. Let's watch the practical class. Here I going to take a cross section of plantain root. This is plantain root. Take a sharp or new blade and take cross sections of the root. Take thin sections. Put the sections in the water because to prevent from drying up. Then pour some stain to the watch glass. And add some water to the stain. A stain is used to see the object clearly. Here we used saffron in a red color stain. Then put the sections into the stain. Then the stained sections put in the water for remove excess stain. Then take a slide and add a drop of glycerin because to prevent drying up of the material. Then put the section on the slide containing glycerin. Then take a cover glass. This is cover glass. And put the cover glass above the section very slowly, or we can use a needle for this. The material to be observed is ready. We can observe the material through the microscope. This is the view from 10x magnification and this is from 45x magnification. Then different stages of slide preparation. These are the different stages of slide preparation. Now let's look how to record a practical. Recording the findings is as important as conducting practicals in science. When we record a practical, first you write the aim of the practical, that is your target. Second, the materials required. What are the materials needed for the practical? Third one, procedure. How we had done the practical. That is the method of the practical. Then fourth one, observation. What do you observe from the practical? Then the last one, inference. It is a conclusion or a result of the practical. Next is discovering the cell. Robert Hooke discovered the cells. He discovered the cells with the help of the simple microscope. Simple microscope has only one lens, but the compound microscope has more than one lens. You studied about compound microscope in previous class. Cell biology is the branch of science which deals with the study of cells. Milestones in the history of cell biology. Robert Brown, 1831, discovered the center of the cell and named it the nucleus. M.J. Schleiden, in 1838, he found out that the body of a plant is made up of cells. In 1839, Theodor Schwann found out that the body of an animal is made up of cells. In 1858, Rudolf Virchow observed dividing cells and inferred that new cells arise only from existing cells. This means the new cells arise from the old cells. That's all for today. Thank you.